Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to remove distractions or text from an image. So the Remove Distraction tool in Gemini uses advanced object recognition and in-painting technology to analyze the entire photo and identify elements that don't belong. So you can basically remove anything from random strangers, shadows to blemishes, street signs, or unwanted text overlays. So it understands the background textures, lighting direction, depth, and the colors, and then rebuilds that missing section using AI generated pixels that blend naturally with the image. So you can basically remove anything in that photo. So let me show you how to do this. So we'll go ahead and open up the Gemini app. Now in Gemini, we'll go ahead and use the Nano Banana editing app. We'll go ahead and add a picture. So we'll go ahead and add this picture here. Let's just say, for example, this picture here, I want to go ahead and remove the clock. So as you can see, this is the picture which I've taken, and I want to go ahead and remove this clock. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and instruct Nano Banana to do this. Remove the clock from this photo.
Sure, here is the image.
And now as you can see, the clock has been removed. So this is what the picture was, and this is what the picture is now. So let's remove the distraction from your photo. If you have a text or anything, it can also remove that as well from your photo if you instruct it to. So you can achieve professional level cleanup without needing Photoshop. This is perfect for travel photos, portraits, real estate shots, or product images. This saves time and no more manual cloning or patching. This elevates your overall quality and the focus of your images. So there you go guys, that is how to remove distraction or text from an image on your Samsung Galaxy device.